Hello guys and welcome back. Today we will talk about the CRT. What is the CRT? CRT is the candle range theory. As I know that there are lots of videos about the candle range theory and nobody understands anything. Today you will understand everything about the CRT. Okay, let's start. All right. So we are talking about the CRT, candle range theory, and we are looking at the charts, maths, numbers. Boring. Let me tell you, CRT is not about the numbers. CRT is not about the charts, okay? It's about emotions and also male emotions. Imagine your girlfriend, beautiful, amazing, sexy, hot girl, and you want to be with her, right? You're obsessed. She is always saying no. And this stops you? No, I don't think so. You are doing everything, dinners, compliments, love, gift, dancing, romantic things, and you explode the scan. This is you. This is the CRT. You are the CRT. You are the candle range, okay? All this effort, it's you. That is the CRT candle. You are the CRT candle, okay? And when your girlfriend say yes, let's do it, and boom. And what happened? You achieve your goal, mission accomplished. You have got what you want, and then it's pulled back quickly back into the range. The guy from this 2 seconds ago is gone. He is like, all right, what's next? Guys, CRT candle is mass. We are the CRT candle, okay? Or emotions is the CRT candle. Don't forget this. All right, back to the real stuff. What is CRT? First of all, you need to focus the high time frames, weekly, daily, and just 4 hours. Don't go lower time frame, okay? Now we are checking the 4 hours candles, okay? Okay, guys, let me check the 4 hours candles. Now, we have a reason why. There's a base area here, there's an explosive moves, and this is the reason. Okay, we have reason. And now we are waiting what will happen. Just 1 second. This is the liquidation area. Okay, this is the liquidation area. This is the base area. This is the explosive moves. These all are the reason. Okay, first rule. If there's no reason, CRT doesn't work. Okay, now watch it. Okay, come on, come on, come on. Oh, yes. So what happened now? CRT candle take this liquidity. CRT candle rejected from the explosive moves. Now it is verified. Now you can take the short position from here. Take it. After the candle close, we are taking short position from approximately here, and then we are taking it. We will stop, put the stop here, and our targets. Let's check the target. This is the liquidation area. This is the liquidation area, and maybe more. I don't know. Let's check our house. Yes, yes, there are a liquidation area here too. So we are going to take all of these. Okay, this is our target. Now I'm checking the target. Yes, this area, approximately this area. Now let's see what will happen. Yes, it works. Approximately 250 R. It's very good money. Do you want to see another one? Yes, we check another one. Yes, here there's a very good sample, very good exercises. Okay, what can you see here? I'm seeing a base area and then explosive moves. Okay, this is the reason. All the trend is going down. I need to make short position. I need to build short position, but where? Okay, now there's a base and there's an explosive move. These are the reasons. Okay, now let's wait. What will happen now? Okay, okay. As you can see that There is a liquidation area. There is a CRT candle, and then go down. Okay, we was very fast, but after the candle close, we are putting a short position. Our stops is high side of the last CRT move, last CRT candle, and our main target is these liquidities. This is the first target. Okay, this is approximately 3-hour operation. Now let's check it. Okay, yes, it's done. It's done. Okay, it's 3-hour. Okay, now, but it's okay. It's enough. I don't think so. But it's enough. I don't think so. There are still liquidity here. Now, new liquidities. Okay, now just we wait. Okay, now there are very close liquidities like the double high. Okay, now if there's a CRT candle here, happens a CRT candle here, I will be in the game. Yes, we are in the game, taking again short position from here. Our stops is high side of the CRT, and now my main target is this side and this side. Okay, first I think this is going to be enough, or this side is going to be enough. Let's check it. Yes, CRT works again. Okay, but now still there is what? Liquidities again. All the CRTs are creating a new liquidity. So let's watch it. Yes, this liquidity taken, and this is my last operation. I put short position. My stop is high of the CRT, and this time my target is this liquidity. Okay, we see what will happen. Almost done. Didn't take liquidities still. Yes, it's done. 439. Okay, 3, 5, 8, 9. Totally, it's 9 hours. Okay, now you check all the time frames, weekly time frames, daily time frames, and 4-hour time frames. You will see lots of important things, very, very profitable setups for the CRT. Okay, but number one rule, we need a reason. We have to be in a importance area. Okay, we need to be in a liquidity area. We need to be in a K level. We need to be in somewhere. We need a reason. Okay, then we are waiting to high man moves. CRT is a man moves, and then moves come back into the range. Okay, then we are taking position. 2R, 3R, it's not important, it's not, maybe not more, but it's very, very more. Okay, it's very profitable system. Check the charts and see that lots of CRT works. Okay, thank you very much for watching and good luck to everyone. Now, make your homework, make some backtests about it, weekly, daily, and 4 hours. You will check the weekly, daily, and 4 hours, and you will find approximately 10 CRT sample. I'm waiting on the comments. Okay, see you later. Bye.